Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the place and importing the first hair asset so you can layer others on top. Once the hair is in, position it roughly on the head and set a clear name so you don't get lost. Make sure Explorer and Properties are visible. This saves time adjusting transforms. Next, duplicate that accessory as a working copy so you can lock one reference while you edit the other. This prevents accidental moves and gives you a baseline to revert back to. Now you add the second and subsequent hair pieces and focus on precise placement. Use tiny scale and position tweaks, 0, 1 or 1 degree at a time, so the meshes don't clip. Create or reuse a head attachment and align each hair's attachment to it. That's why attachments matter. They preserve relative position when the avatar moves. Once aligned, add weld constraints between hair and head to lock transforms, adjust collision and massless as needed. Test by posing the avatar to confirm natural motion. Finish by grouping all hair pieces into a single model and assign a primary part for easy scripting and equipping. Once grouped, bake or set final C-frame values so runtime scripts won't jitter them. Remove any helper scripts used during editing. Publish and equip the model in a test account, checking animations and tilt. If you encounter clipping or flicker, slightly offset problematic pieces by 0. 0.1 to 0.05 units or tweak collision and transparency. That small nudge usually resolves overlap and render order issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.